Hey everyone, thanks for joining me. I'm at my workstation here. What you can't see below is a giant container of water. Okay, so sorry about the camera movement. I'll not be moving it again. The time is 10:15 and it's 14 degrees Celsius here at the moment in my workshop. So it's ideal temperatures to start pouring. So what I've done, what I will be doing is I'll be taking something like this, putting that over there. I've already pre-done these ones where I've cut them into half, and this is a Canadian maple leaf that is very milked, as you can see. I like milky coins. Not many people will say that to you, but I love them because they are fantastic for pouring. Then what I will do is I will break them up as I've done here into smaller sections. Now I don't necessarily need to do this because obviously I have two furnaces in the background. Let's show you just briefly here and lift you up. You'll see that I have two separate furnaces. So that's all really super cool. So I have my bits weighed out. I have over here in a sealed bag the mold that I'm going to be pouring today, and I'm going to grab out a crucible out of another sealed bag, and I'm just going to be checking it out. So I'll do my pre-checks with everything, as I always do. And I'll put the bag off to one side so I can reuse it, because it's always good. And this one just needs a bit of dusting off, and away we go. So I'll grab my trusty brush, and I'll do it over here on my bench just in case anything's around it, and then I can fully inspect it when I'm ready. I'm always brushing out, I'm always checking. I'll also check the depth, tap it around, double check that there's nothing that I need to worry about, and this is ready to go. So I will set this here for the moment. Just get a tiny bit more brush off of there. The more that you brush off, the more that you clean, the less residue that you have when you're pouring. So the first thing we do is we pop some electricity on, remove the tongs, hit the furnace, and get ready to put the silver in. But rather than actually putting the silver in first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to basically weigh out what I need. And I know for this mold, it's approximately 3 ounces. So that's what I'm going to get. It's about 3 ounces of silver. So I'll grab one of my little trusty doodads. Slide you over a little bit so you can see. I'll turn it around. It's just because I'm on an uneven bit. Okay. 131. Drop some silver. 150. 2.5. Let me try to get this one down here that I've just dropped. Clean. 3.068. Perfect. That's exactly what I want. I won't use it all, but it's better to be safe than sorry. That sits in a crucible, like so. I'll stick it on here for now with my black fingers. Turn that off. And after this, you'll be able to see now all the stuff. So stay tuned, enjoy the show. It will be little intimate, little parts in between, and you get to see what happens when I pour. So the rest of it will be me pouring. So enjoy, but as I said, I'll be cutting out tons of this, so have a good time. Thank you. Right, welcome back. Just to kind of give you an update, I decided to kind of overfill this a bit. And I also have another one on standby here, which is full to the max, because I plan, if my back holds out, to do at least 2 of these, if not 3, and another of the skull and crossbones, maybe 2. We'll see. Let's see how this day pans out. So as the temperature rises, I start heating up the graphite molds. This is what I'm using at the moment, and yeah, as you can see, it's 836 degrees Celsius. Horrible weather outside, but I'm in here and I'm enjoying it. I'm not sure if you can capture, but this is glowing red. So yeah, I have that glowing red, and soon they'll both be on a very high temperature. These are just the first 2 of many. I probably won't show you the full process of everything I go through, but I'll definitely show you the end results. So the second crucible has gone in. The first one is out just chilling, literally. And there we have those. And those are the ones. So that's number 2 Busby, and that's number 2 of the Pirate. So there's more to come. Stay tuned. There'll be pictures along the way. Okay, so I've poured number 2, which is over there, and that's the Bumblebee series. This is going to be number 3, and let me just quickly show you, by the way, what number 2 looks like on the back, because it is stunning and gorgeous. It has these lovely waves. I didn't intentionally do it, but there you go. There's some smudge that'll clean up, like always. Look at the detail there on the wings and everything. That's awesome. Alright, talk to you later. Okay, so as you can see, everything is turned off. Everything is worked out. Nothing has gone wrong with my molds. That is super awesome. So this was, and this is number 2 of the Bumblebee series. I showed you that. Number 2 of the poured bees. Number 3. Both of, well, number 1, 2, and 3 are all spoken for. 3 came out super awesome. Look at all that detail. There are photos, so you can tag along and follow it. And then number 4, I decided to make an extra one because I had just enough in the crucible to do a 4th. So this is number 4. And you could tell because of the cooling lines of how it shows, but you'll see that in the photo. Anyway, that's all from me. I hope you guys have a great day. As always, enjoy the photos and bye for now.